Welcome back, Kaspa traders, lovers, investors. Today we're going to talk about the question, should you hold Kaspa into 2026? In this video, we're going to discuss this. And I will tell you, frankly, absolutely no. Absolutely no. You should not hold Kaspa into 2026. If Kaspa will bounce now with Bitcoin, you should dump it, okay? You should dump it, and I will explain you exactly why. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. What do you think about holding Kaspa into 2026? I want to know. Now, look, this is my 2 cents, okay? Look at the RSI, okay? This is the weekly chart of Kaspa, okay? Look down below. This is your RSI. This is the log scale of Kaspa, okay? Now, you take a trend line here. You put it right here around the 52, okay? The 52, okay, on the RSI. Okay, you can see as long as it's above this trend line, okay, Kaspa was in a bull market. Bull market above this RSI reading, above the 52. It triggered, okay, it actually dropped here below. That was the hey warning sign. It might break bearish, broke down, then it went back, made a fake out, and then it triggered the bear. It's actually triggered the bear in December 2024 once it broke below the 50 level on the RSI on the weekly, and it broke below the 50-week MA, the moving average, the most important moving average in crypto, especially for Kaspa on the weekly. Now, you see, that was a sell signal, okay? You had a break below the 50-week MA. We told you, get out of Kaspa. We told you in December it's going to collapse. We told you even in August before that, it's going to collapse. It's going to trigger a bear market. It's bearish, la la la. In December, we told you, hey, it is going to get cooked. It is going to crash, and it can crash to 1 cent. And look what happened, man. It crashed below even 1 cent. And we believe, now we're telling you, hey, in 2026, we believe Kaspa is going to go way below the 1 cent. Way below. We're talking about maybe the 1 mil, okay? The 1 mil, or let's call it 0001, okay? That's what we believe. We will show you why. Now, you can see, that was the breakdown here. This is bull market. All right, all that the bull market is above the 50-week, making higher low, higher highs. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Here, broke below the 50-week, and the 50 RSI on the weekly. That was it. That was the bear market trigger right here. That was your trigger right here. You can see here, bam. That moment, December 2024, that was the breakdown. And since then, Kaspa is in a bear market. Okay, now Kaspa is in a bear market. All right, we assume it's going to stay in a bear market as long as the RSI, if you hold Kaspa or invest in Kaspa, really, you want to put these things, that's the only thing you need. It's the only thing you need for when to buy Kaspa, okay? Because as long as it's below this level, you don't want to touch it. There is a high risk of more downside. Much more downside. There is a high risk of much more downside. Remember, this thing triggered only on December 2024. It's in a bear, okay? So it's in a bear for the last 10 months. 10 months it's in a bear under the 50-week. See the 50-week? Now, watch Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin will trigger a bear in the next it should trigger a bear in the next couple of weeks or months, because that's the 4-year cycle. Usually trigger a bear in the last year of the bull cycle, which is the 3rd year. Okay, after 3 year of bull market, usually Bitcoin topping out on the last quarter. We are now in the last quarter. We're expecting a Bitcoin top, and we believe Kaspa will get completely cooked on the Bitcoin top. You see, Kaspa triggered the bear market before Bitcoin top, so we believe once Bitcoin will confirm a bear market, Kaspa will just get thrown out of the window and collapse to valuation that will shock you. It will shock you. So we believe holding now into 2026 is the biggest, dumbest, silliest mistake you can do in your life, and you're going to lose everything. You're going to get wrecked completely, because we believe Kaspa is due for a 90 to 99% correction in a bear. It's already down 94 here. So, we believe it's gonna go probably around a 99%, and it can even do 99.9. If it goes to 99, you can see it will go to 0001. Obviously, it will bounce along the way. You can trade it. You can trade the bounces, but you don't want to hodl it because there is a risk of a major bear market for cryptos, and Kaspa will not survive it. Kaspa will not go against it probably as long as it's below the 50-week MA. Okay, sir, smash the like, subscribe to the channel. All right, I will show you more stuff now. Just get yourself Bitunix account. Do yourself a favor. Stop trading or buying on Uphold and all the rubbish exchanges on the US. You can get Bitunix account. You know, no VPN, no KYC. You get USDT bonuses. Check them out. The best exchange ever. And also you can short crypto in the bear market. So really check it out. We have tutorials on how to use it, this exchange, in the description below. Now look, if you look on Kaspa, let me remove the drawing here. On Kaspa monthly RSI, look at the monthly, man. Look at this bloodbath, okay? RSI on the monthly peaked in November 2023. That was the real peak of Kaspa once it got listed on Binance Futures. That was the peak. Obviously, it went a bit higher, but that was the peak on the monthly RSI. Then it made a lower high and a lower high, and it keeps making lower high and lower low. Okay, as long as this trend is intact going down, you don't want to touch it. You do not want to F with the bear market. You know what? It's gonna cook you. It's going to cook you, man. You know, if you never experienced a crypto bear, you don't know what's coming, man. Something brutal. Look on the 2-week as well. 2-week as well, going down, 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 down. There is no signs of reversal or recovery on the RSI. Not on the price action as well. Okay, so that's the RSI. Now, if you look, just by looking on price action, man, it's still extremely overbought, extremely extended in valuation, man. The coin went up. The coin went up 1000x, okay? 1000x. It can go down all the way. You know, you have, if it continue dumping, I will show you some support levels you want to watch, okay? If you want to catch a dip. So obviously we have that level. That level looks significant, around the 1 cent to the 1.5 here. Okay, if you lose that level, your next level of support you have here. This looks like a critical level of support around the 5.00, half a cent. Okay, actually half a cent looks extremely like a nice place for a rebound, for a big move. Now I will tell you now, man, really what you need to watch for the next Kaspa bounce. Okay, and really, if you like Kaspa and you want to invest in Kaspa, invest in the Kaspa in the right time, really join our VIP, because we're gonna tell you when to invest in Kaspa. We're gonna tell you, okay, we're gonna tell you when you want to DCA into Kaspa. You don't buy downtrend. Buying downtrend is rubbish. It's gonna cook you. Oh, I will show you an example. Okay, look at Bitcoin. Okay, I think Kaspa will do something similar to Bitcoin did in 2014, 2015 cycle. I will show you. Look, you go look on the Bitcoin cycle. Okay, let me remove the moving averages right here. Okay, this was the 2014 bull run. Okay, the 2014 bull run, 2011 till 2014 bull market. Okay, for Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up. You can see Bitcoin went up 500x. Okay, that's a 500x. Yeah, not like Kaspa. Kaspa went 1000x. Okay, Bitcoin went 500x. Okay, which is not bad at all. You know. Now after this, Bitcoin collapsed. Okay, you can see that was a bear market for Bitcoin. I'll show you the moving averages here. With it drop below the 50-week. Show you the 50-week. You can see it lost the 50-week and it went on a bloody bear market. Then it went sideways. Okay, you can see here, only here, once it broke above the 50-week, that was in September 15th. So Bitcoin was in a bear market all 2014 and almost pretty much till the last quarter of 2015. So it was in a bear market almost 7 quarters. 7 quarters. How many months is this? Give me a second. That's 12 months, 9 months. Okay, like 19, 20 months. Okay, around 20 months, almost 2 years. It was in a bear. So it was a bearish phase. Okay, you can see there was a bear. That was the big bear. And then there was accumulation. Okay, we're looking for the accumulation. Okay, you can see this sideways range here for 1 year, that's where you buy. That's where you buy. Now we suspect Mr. Kaspa, dear Kaspa Cas, once it will come on my chart. Have an internet issue here. Let me see, give me a second. So we suspect the Kaspa. 1 second, this is the Kaspa. What we're looking for, I will show you what we're looking for Kaspa in 2026, okay? So, just to remember, okay? So we're looking for a bloodbath, okay? A bloodbath probably into the, remember, it triggered its bear market in December 2024. So we're looking for a bloodbath downward move all the way pretty much to next year, early next year, maybe even mid next year. At some point, early or mid next year, we're looking for some sideways, okay? We're looking for some Kaspa sideways, mid to early next year, okay? That's what we're looking for. And then you want to buy, okay? Then you want to buy the breakout of the accumulation, okay? The breakout of the accumulation of Kaspa, that's where you want to buy. Or if you see it confirming the bottom and you want a DCA you really love, you really like a, and you don't care about risk management and you're just like, regular Kaspa baboon, yeah, you can buy, you can start DCA once you see it going sideways, but you need to know what to look for. Most people, they don't know what to look for. That's why they're gonna lose everything. We believe holding Kaspa into 2026 is a big mistake. You should not hold Kaspa. You should hold USDT or USD, okay? That's what you should hold, because this will not lose you money. Holding Kaspa will lose you 90% more probably from here, maybe even more than that. Once it's going sideways, then you start buying, you start DCAing into Kaspa, or you just wait for the breakout, like what we're gonna do, and you buy the breakout and you long Kaspa and you hodl Kaspa for the next big bull run, because we believe Kaspa will do another one like that, or maybe not like that, but another 100x, maybe not, probably not 1000x, but after it will collapse completely and get completely destroyed and go to the neglect phase, and let's say it goes, let's say, to the 1 cent, bottom out on the 1 cent, or the half a cent, or 1/10 of a cent, doesn't matter. From there, once it's bottoming out, it will start an amazing new bull market, probably late 2026, early 2027. That's my speculation, not a financial advice. And then that's where you want to buy and hold and invest. Invest and obviously take profits on the rally, because every good time have a date, okay? You gotta have profit-taking strategy. You gotta take profit for profit once it's topping out. Just like we told you here, hey man, start selling. That was the top. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Really, we invite you to join our VIP. I want to show you a few trades we took in October, man. While Kaspa doing nothing, you're just losing money on Kaspa. I will show you 3 trades we took that made more than a double for us. I'll show you. The first one was Soon, okay? Look at Soon. No, this is the trade. This first one was this baby, H, October 13. That was H trade. I'll show you the H chart. Look at H, man. HUSDT. Where is H? All right, you can see that's H. That was our entry right here, man. 82 something. Right, we entered here. Bam. Exploded to all our orders. Max gains 150%. We even had another 50% gain here. Okay, show you another trade. Soon, buy now. The price, the October 1st, that was from October 1st. Price was 40 cents. Look at Soon. Look at Soon, man. Okay, look at Soon. That was the trade here. We had multiple trades on Soon. I'll show you just the first one from the 40 cents. Look at this, man. Bam. That was the entry right here. 40 cents. Bam. Bam. Max gain 140%. We also took some Soon here. Made some nice gains as well. Okay, and also here as well. Amazing gain. Okay, that's another 140%. We had also Jelly from October 3rd. 5.7. We bought the break above 5.7. I can send you all the screenshot if you don't believe me. Look at this. We have everything saved. Look at Jelly. That was our entry right here. You can see 57. Bought it. Bam. Man, all these trades, we are accumulating ROI, accumulating gains, accumulating cash. Accumulating cash, our accounts are going up, 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 up. That's the job in the crypto trading, okay? You want to accumulate wealth, okay? You accumulate wealth, and then you go from this trade to this trade, and then when Bitcoin will top out, we're gonna short it, okay? We're gonna short it, we're gonna short the market. Really, we invite you to join our VIP with the link below. Check it out, my friend. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.